welcome back to my channel, 20BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. How y'all doing? If you just stumbled upon my channel and you're like, who is this old lady? I'll tell you, this channel is all about buying luxury, shopping for luxury, finding some lookalikes, some DIY, looking at shoes. We review things, some Louis Vuitton. I would like to be able to afford Chanel and Hermes and stuff, but I can't. So we're going to talk about that. And then sometimes I throw in some funny stories and just overall try to be funny while doing it. So if you're into that, stick around. This video, in fact, will be about me buying a couple of Chanel items. So don't go anywhere. Of course, in true Winnie B. LV fashion, I will tell you a story. This story is not for the faint of heart. I know I've said that before, but this you may find disturbing. If you're queasy in any way about food, yeah, might want to skip on through. I don't know why, but the McRib has come back at McDonald's. Have you guys seen this? Now, I'm not notoriously, nor are we notoriously, a bunch of fast food eaters. I gained all this weight from eating sweets and candies, and that's my downfall. Okay, so fast food, the Hardee's, the McDonald's, the Wendy's, the Burger King, I don't, occasionally. I mean, it has to be a dire situation, like I don't want to cook and whatever's close and we can grab it. So I haven't eaten a McDonald's hamburger or lunch entree in probably 2 years, maybe. I've had a biscuit. You know, biscuits are different. Those are delicious anywhere. But a lunch item, I just haven't done it. So I've been seeing these McRib ads on everybody's videos. They did a big buy, apparently, McDonald's, and the McRib's back. So I don't know why. I just got like a hankering for one. I probably haven't eaten a McRib in, I don't know, 10 years. I haven't eaten a McRib in forever. So I told my husband the other day, I was like, you know what? Get me a McRib. And even then, he would not eat McDonald's. He's like, well, y'all can have that. I'm fixing a salad. Now, I want to tell you the reason that I haven't eaten at McDonald's in the last probably 2 years. Last time I got anything, it was a Big Mac. Okay. I started eating that Big Mac, and here's the gross part, guys. Yes, a hair that was not my own. Yeah, she had to go. Yeah, we threw that out, and I haven't forgotten it, but I thought, well, this couldn't happen to a person twice. I'll get a McRib. Girl, seriously, it wasn't the sandwiches time, it was the fries. Oh, and where did I find it? But right here. So gross. Needless to say, I will not be eating McDonald's of any shape, form, or fashion for a long I'm going to say never. I'm not going to do it. I'm done. Fool me once, right? Fool me twice. Shame on me. OMG. Okay. So anyway, that is the gross story of the week. This just happened last weekend. I should have learned. But yeah, I don't usually eat a whole lot of fast food. Now I like pizza. I will eat pizza. But if I want a hamburger, I just fix it here, or I don't know. I can eat an Applebee's burger or something, but it gags me even thinking about it. I know you guys all were like, "Oh my God, what?" Yes, twice this happened to me. Same McDonald's. That might be my mistake as well. Are these people not? What are they doing? Just shedding? I don't know. Surely it wasn't the same person, but anyway. This totally happened to me. Moving on. My anniversary is coming up on Friday the 18th, and my husband and I will have been married 27 years. So he's all concerned about, what can I get you? What can I get you? You need to get... And I said, of course, you can get me Chanel, honey. And he was like, well, if you can get Chanel for under $200. And I was like, watch. So what I did, and this is totally Monty Bell and Jennifer Loves and all the people, A Heated Mess, Cindy, everybody that unboxed this little Chanel thing. I thought I was going to buy this particular item. I couldn't get it anywhere because I think it was sold out by Black Friday. I was going to wait until Black Friday, and I literally wanted to get these gifts for Autumn and Yota, but I missed them. They were sold out like Gone with the Wind, honey. They were gone, I'm telling you. So I started searching on the pre-loved sites and found a new one of these little gift pouches, and I had a $10 off coupon, and also I don't want to call it lowballed, but I offered a lower amount. So I ended up paying only like $7, maybe the most $10 more than this was retail. So I think I did pretty well on it. It is brand new, still in the original box and everything. It was supposed to not be used, so we will see if it is. Just my luck, just like the damn McRib. But let's see what we got here. So, okay, everything's looking good so far. And I wanted the red, because I just thought the red was so cute. I like the black, but I was going to get these gifts for Yota and Autumn. I really was. So, everything's good in the box. Let's just see. Yeah. Monty, what have you done to me? Monty Bell, Snow 770777777. So everything is still sealed up into, so yeah, they didn't, I don't think they've gotten into the stuff. So I found this and I was like, yes, give it to me. Of course I'm going to try to put a little crossbody strap and wear that because it's cute, cute, cute. Okay. So you've got the crayon lip and the sharpener, which both seem to be brand new. That's the little brush part of it. Now y'all know I don't know much about makeup. And okay, this has not been used, but girl, I will try it. It's lip liner, right? I don't even know that much. So there's that portion of it. This is all supposed to be matte. Matte. You remember him. Okay, let's see. So this is all still, does not look like it's even, it's in the Chanel paper. So it's not even been out of its little packaging either. Okay, good deal. And let's see. Looks to be like a lip gloss. And it's brand new, so alright. I feel like I will next year get on the ball and buy this in November whenever it's released at Nordstrom or even Chanel. So yeah, I missed out, I thought. But I found it. Sadly though, Yota and Autumn, I had to get them other gifts, so this one has to stay with me. I'm so sad about it. And then I went on Chanel and I thought I am going to try to replace my trusty handy dandy Prada that I got free with the purchase of the Prada Candy perfume last year or maybe 2 years ago. Anyway, I thought I would replace my little makeup bag, and I went online to Chanel. I've already torn up the package for you. And I bought a replacement for my makeup pouch. Scan the code below to unlock a celestial experience and send special messages to your loved ones. Okay. So, it comes in a beautifully wrapped ribbon and box. Alrighty. Should I speed this up? Hello, I'm taking forever. Alright, guys. Sealed up with its little seal. Oh, girl. What? Wait a minute. Okay, so I did not check sizing again. I do this every single time. Chanel gives you a little, what did I pick? I can't even remember. Oh, they give you a couple little sample things. So here's the Rouge Cocoa Flash sampler, and this one is the, I guess it's just the regular, it's beige Chanel Paris. I don't know. We'll try it. But let's just see. So I can already tell I messed up totally. Yeah. What the flip is wrong with me? Pay no attention to my kids downstairs. They're watching a Christmas movie. Wah. Okay. In my mind, online, I thought I should read size. This happens to me more than you will ever know. I always think something is a different size, and then I get it, and I go, what? It's kind of like Spinal Tap when they order the Stonehenge, and they think it's going to be this huge thing, and instead of feet, they used inches. That's me.
I think that the problem may have been that there was a Stonehenge monument on the stage that was in danger of being crushed.
I'm always like, I thought it was going to be, well, this goes to 11, doesn't it? So yeah, I totally got Spinal Tapped on this. I really thought when I looked at it, it's going to be this size. It's this size. And for what I paid for this, I'm not 100% like, I'm not tickled with it. I'm a little embarrassed. Yeah. So it'll fit those 3 little things. I guess it's just a lipstick case. And I loved the neoprene. I knew it was like a neoprene little, it's got the cute little CCs on the side, but girl, why? What is wrong with me? So the theme of the show today is red, and foiled again. Okay, so that's not going to replace my makeup case or my makeup pouch. This might, but I wanted to carry this as like a little crossbody, because Cindy and everybody was saying, you know, you can open this little slit up right here on each side. They thought of everything this year. And you can attach a chain to it, and so cute, or a top handle. And I just thought, yeah, I'm all the way here for that. It's got the little gold embossed Chanel on the front. I love this. I love this. But this little neoprene red, girl, why? Why do I do the things? Okay. So I'm going to get off track a little bit. I'm going to show you a bootleg, or what do I want to call it without getting in too much trouble. I'll just say it's a bootleg lookalike of a Chanel bag. This is vegan leather. So the company that I bought it from, it was an online Facebook sale. It's called Tinley's Handbags, I think, if you want to look that up, but they do a lot of lives. And so this was a vegan leather, and it was cheap as chips, but I just thought it was cute because I love red. It's a mock-up double flap even. And, you know, it's pretty cute. You know, you're not carrying this to an event and people are like, oh, where'd you get your new Chanel bag? It's definitely screaming like, I'm not a real Chanel bag. But I didn't care because I just thought it was super cute. It smells like vegan leather, which means it doesn't smell like leather at all, but there's no, you know, bad smell to it. But, so what do you think? Yeah. So those are my Chanel, and this is my Chanel-esque find. It's got the little pocket on the back. I just thought it was cute, and I don't have an actual, of course I don't have hardly any Chanel, but I don't have a bag kind of like this. I really don't have like a flat bag of any sort that's got any size to it. I think you could fit a lot of stuff in here. I mean, I'll carry it You'll totally see me put this on Instagram and me carrying it. It won't bother me a bit. You know me. So I had a fail today. Nope. Tiny. So if you see this thing on the Chanel site and you want to buy it, just be aware that it's tiny. Probably everybody else knew that, but me, I was like, no, I love it. I'm gonna use it as a makeup pouch. Girl, why? Thanks, guys, for coming by today and watching. I kept telling you guys, I have a Coach animation unboxing and review. I ordered this 2 weeks ago. Haven't seen hide nor hair of it. And when I check online on my Coach order, it just says, hey, shipping is delayed. There's no real answers there. So be leery if you're going to order from Coach on the outlet. I don't think if you order today, I mean, they might promise you it'll get there by next week, but girl, you'll be cutting it close. So anyway, whenever that animation bag comes in that I ordered, I will do a Coach animation part 2. They have so many animation bags, just so many. But I just ordered a couple, and I just wanted to show them to you. Thanks for joining me today. And remember, as always, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. I like this thing, but is it giving me like, you guys remember when, you guys that are my age, remember when you were a kid and you stayed with your grandma and your tummy was upset and she brought you a hot water bottle, those red, rubbery hot water bottles? Yeah. This is kind of giving me that vibe. I'm going to put a picture of what those are. You didn't know at the time what that really was Grandma was giving you, did you? Now we know. We actually know. I'm going to give you a minute to look at this, and you tell me. Yeah, that's not just a hot water bottle, girl. No, ma'am. Grandma got run over by her douchebag. As for me and Grandpa, we believe.